Hello guys, I am Jasmeet and welcome to Blogging Unplugged Clips. On this channel, you will find bite-sized videos from our main channel, Blogging Unplugged. If you are not into those hour-long videos, then this channel is for you. And if you find the content helpful, then make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the post notification bell. And with that said, let's dive into the video. Now, the next topic that we are going to discuss in this video is the introduction of the highlight feature or the introduction of the color support for the highlight feature. Now, why two different things? Now, some themes in WordPress did come with the highlight feature for text blocks where you were able to highlight certain parts of your text or just individual words with just a click. You just had to click the drop down in the toolbar and it allowed you to do that. But in certain themes this feature was disabled, or it came with the name of text color. Now I wouldn't call text color the highlight feature, as it required you to add the background, change the background color, or probably if you want a proper highlight then you had to edit the code or use a plugin. Let me show you the difference first. So let's go to WordPress 5.8 and see the text color feature first. So let me just select this highlight color and then click this drop down, and you will see there is a text color feature, and when I click it, it allows me to select a color or a custom color. Now I wouldn't call it literally the highlight feature, as to make a proper highlight I'll have to edit the code and then add the appropriate tags. Now in WordPress 5.9 this thing has changed and the text color feature has been replaced, or you can say it has been evolved. Now see how. Let me click this, let me select this word highlight over here. And when I select this, click the drop down, it will show me the highlight feature. Let me click this, and now it allows me to select a background, basically the text color. So let's just select this as the text color, and let's go to background and select black as the text. Now you can see clearly the word highlight is clearly highlighted. Let's just say that. Okay, but this was not the case here, because let's just change the color to something. Let's just take it to blue. Yeah, and you can see just the word is the color of that particular word is changed. You cannot call it basically the highlight feature, but certain themes did offer the highlight feature, but the default highlight color was yellow. Now in this situation, this thing has been implemented and the color support has been added. If you already have been using the highlight feature, I was using it in Cadence, so I can tell you that. Now in case you want to change colors, then again you get access to this color picker over here, and using it you can select whatever color is that you want to select. Let's go here and pick this color, and you can see the color of the text change. Now in case you want to change the color of the background, you can again click the color picker over here and take this background over here, and you will see the change. So this is an interesting feature, and you must have seen various websites using this feature very creatively to highlight the important parts on their landing pages or pages in itself, just to draw the attention of the people to that particular section. So you can use it for that, and WordPress has given you a very easy way in which you can just with a few clicks you can transform a certain thing into that eye-catchy headline or something. So this is really an amazing feature. Now I hope you have found this video helpful, and if you did, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to this channel. Also, the links to our socials are in the description box below. Make sure to follow us on other platforms as well. And with that said, I will see you in the next video.